I embarked on this journey, starting from scratch and managing to accumulate 10,000 followers. The key was leveraging the new TikTok creativity program, which allowed me to earn $1 for every 1,000 views. I achieved this without showing my face, catering to a broad audience. The initial challenge was identifying a niche that could flourish on TikTok. While many were reposting clips from podcasts and streamers, I opted for a more unique approach. I discovered a niche involving educational videos with entertaining content, providing depth and lasting over a minute. Secrecy around my specific niche was essential for competitive advantage. To reach 10,000 followers swiftly, I decided to create one high-quality video per day rather than the common advice of 6 daily uploads. I studied competitors, analyzed successful videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and used these insights to develop a content strategy. The goal was not to copy, but to build upon proven ideas, ensuring my videos would resonate with the audience. The core of my strategy was spending significant time generating compelling video ideas. Crafting an engaging script, especially nailing the initial hook, was crucial. To enhance the voiceover, I utilized 11 laps for a natural AI-generated voice. Editing was streamlined but effective, with snappy subtitles and attention-grabbing visuals. However, my first video was disheartening, receiving only 13 views. Doubt crept in, but I chose perseverance. For the second video, I established 3 rules: universal appeal, a compelling hook, and excitement throughout. Despite initial doubts, the video gained traction, reaching 30,000 views in one day. The journey continued with consistent uploads, and by the 6th video, I had a better understanding of my audience. Views skyrocketed, with some videos exceeding 1 million views. The pivotal moment arrived after 15 days, 10,000 followers. Excitement ensued, only to be tempered by the removal of a video with 2 million views due to TikTok's policies. I successfully applied for the TikTok creativity program, earning £387 on the first day and surpassing $5,000 within 2 days. In conclusion, building a successful TikTok page requires a blend of creativity, strategy, and adaptability. Overcoming initial setbacks, navigating algorithm changes, and staying dedicated to quality content can lead to substantial growth and financial rewards. The TikTok creativity program, when utilized effectively, can transform a TikTok page into a lucrative venture. Comment to join my free Discord, follow for more.